In this video, we are going to work with equilibrium of non-concurrent forces. A small introduction: equilibrium of non-concurrent forces occurs when all forces and moments acting on an object balance out, keeping it stationary or moving uniformly. For equilibrium, the sum of all forces in both the x and y direction, as well as the sum of all moments, must equal 0. So, ayan. Ito yung mga formula na gagamitin natin or maaari nating magamit. So, example, a boom AB is supported in a horizontal position by a hinge A. Ito. In the cable which runs from C over a small pulley at D, as shown in figure. Itong C, itong rope to D pulley. Yan. Compute the tension T in the cable. Ito. And the horizontal and vertical components of reaction at A. Ito. Neglect the size of the pulley at D. Yan. So, meron tayong nakikita ang right triangle dito. So, isimplify natin. Yan. I-simplify pa natin ang part na to dahil ang tension dito ng rope ay paras lang sa tension dito. Kaya, ayan. At ilabas na rin natin ang hinahanap dito na horizontal at vertical forces ng A na hinahanap natin. So, una, hanapin natin ang summation ng horizontal forces at vertical forces or Fx and Fy. Yan. At meron na tayong dalawang makikitang equation. Ngayon, kunin na natin ang moment at A. Ito. So, ayan. Kung ito ang naka-point natin ng moment, meron tayong pwedeng maging moment sa T na ito. 2 over square root of 5t times 4, which is, ang layo niya is 4 inches. Yan. So, meron tayong 200 pounds na pababa na magiging clockwise at 100 pounds na clockwise din. So, inassume natin dito na positive ang counterclockwise. Ayan. At magkakaroon tayo ng tension na 271.51 pounds. Ngayon, itong tension natin, pwede natin siyang i-substitute sa nauna nating dalawang equation para isa na lang ang maging unknown. Ayan. Ang AH at AB. Ayun. At substitute lang natin. At iwan ang AH sa kabilang side. Ay magkakaroon tayo ng force ng A na horizontal na 125 pounds at sa force na A na vertical na 50 pounds. At nakuha na natin ang mga final answers. Ayan. Thank you for listening.